On behalf of the National Association of Secondary School Principals, to present this award to the 2019 National Principal of the Year, Dr. Lucas Clamp.
A certificate of special congressional recognition presented to Dr. Lucas Clamp in recognition of outstanding and invaluable service to the community and the United States by Joe Wilson on behalf of the Congress of the United States.
While we receive this award, let this now be an opportunity for us to continue to shine. In the areas that we have not received excellence yet, that be our goal. And that for each one of you, I hope that you envision yourself being where I am today, or in places where others will acknowledge your good work and know that that good work is what has defined you.